Brought to you by Flint Hills Roofing Company.
You don't pay until the job's complete. Your home is one of the most valuable investments you will ever make. When harsh Kansas weather strikes, your house protects you and your family, but you have to protect it after the storm has passed. That's why you should always get a free roofing inspection from Flint Hills Roofing Company, at least once a year and after every severe storm. Our experienced team of professionals will work with your insurance company to provide all proper information and advocate for you, resulting in the highest likelihood of the maximum payout possible. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation inspection and estimate if we do find damage. Call us at 316-670-0750 or visit flinthillsroofingco.com/contact.